the Corsair Vengeance LPX 16 gigabyte 2 times 8 gigabyte sticks, DDR4 DRAM, 3200 megahertz, black memory kit. So you're not getting, this flashy RGB light RAM. Corsair, in my opinion, one of the older, more reliable memory brands. They're not going to be as flashy or showy, although they probably do have some models that have those features, but they just give you tried and true, solid, great performance RAM that you can rely on and trust. It's going to last you for a long period of time. One of the most difficult problems to troubleshoot when you build your own systems is when you run into RAM issues. Really, really hard. It can be really, really hard to diagnose that is actually being the issue. And so you really, really want to make sure you get reliable RAM. I've gotten Corsair in the past for multiple systems of mine. And with those systems, I've never had to replace the RAM. I can say that with confidence. I've been building my own gaming PCs for almost 20 years now. And I haven't used Corsair every single time, but the times that I have, which is for at least 2 or 3 builds, I've never had to replace the RAM in those systems. Just so you have that kind of testimonial from me. That's just been my experience. Does that mean that nothing bad ever happens with them? No, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying in my experience, they've been a reliable brand that I've been able to trust.
Gaming creators, really quick, before you do anything else, enter to win our Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes, $1,100 in gear. We're giving away for $0. Link in the description below. It includes this exact audio setup you hear me on right now. It's the one we use on the podcast every single day. If you want to sound this good, this is live, by the way. This is not an edited video. This is the way it actually sounds. Let me just show you the bundle. It's freaking amazing. The bundle includes this microphone, shock mount, and boom arm. Plus, it includes the Rodecaster Pro mixer, which is arguably the best creator mixer on the market. Plus, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license if you want to help grow that YouTube channel faster. Plus, our friends over at Restream threw in a Restream license if you want to stream to multiple platforms at the same time and grow your stream faster. Rode hookup, TubeBuddy hookup, Restream hookup. They all just wanted to give you guys gear to help you succeed and software to help you succeed for free. So here you go. Link in the description below. Enter for your chance to win. I wish you the best of luck, and I hope that you guys can maybe pick this package up and increase your quality and increase your chances of growing faster with the tools and gear that we use every single day to grow, and hopefully you can use to grow as well. Link below. Go do it. Thank you.